we at? We at Walmart. Walmart, baby. Walmart. We had to come here to get those toboggans we talked about.
We have to get toboggans, Sharpies, and I want to look for another jacket.
They may not want us recording in here, but... Huh?
I said, what'd you say?
I said, they may not want us recording in here.
They don't want us recording, they just
Oh boy, I just got fast with that.
Huh?
So I just got real fast with that.
Look at this awesome. Dude, feel this. I need this.
Yeah, it's soft.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You like my hat? Like my hat? Does it look good? It felt good though. I will say that. Oh, look at me without a hat on. Look. I'm scary. There, that's more like it.
I'm gonna try this one. Focus. Record yourself.
Oh. Wow, that's so much better than mine.
Don't be screwless.
Oh, I'm jealous.
No, don't.
I'm gonna get up here. I don't want to get my body. So this is how slow you have to come.
Wow, I really like it. You can have a mask. You can have a unicorn mask.
No, I don't have no unicorn no more. I got my unicorn taken off.
Yeah, he had this knot on his head, and they called it the unicorn horn, and he got it taken off, and now his head's flat. I miss that old fella.
No fella.
Ooh,
I don't
have gloves right here.
If you want to get you some gloves, you can. I'm gonna step over here. Okay.
Maybe for Christmas. Look.
Hannah would like that, wouldn't she?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look. Look at that.
Oh, cheeseburger. Oh, cheeseburger. I'm gonna try this hat on. Okay. What do y'all think?
I think it looks fine.
Yeah, I think so too. I think it looks fine, don't you?
Yeah, me too.
Trying to see. It's like $5 and something, so.
Mine might be more expensive because mine has details on it. Yours is just plain.
Hey guys, we're back here to see the Dobre brothers. It's some YouTubers that if you don't know who they are, go check them out. They do some funny pranks and just kind of just some funny stuff. So they're gonna be in concert here on a tour, and back there's Carmen. And so yeah, just gonna let y'all know we're gonna be doing some recording tomorrow, some vlogging.
I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to go out to eat dinner?
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just don't know where.
Yeah, and so. And also we got this
You can turn the camera around and show. It's actually mine, but he'll get one later.
We got this new little gimbal stick I got for her. It stabilizes the video so it won't be shaky, and we're testing it out. So hopefully I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little tour of the room. So
Oh, you can show them outside.
yeah, open the door. Staying in a Motel 6. As you see,
It's really nice. Nice room.
there's the pool. Oh yeah, and this sorry. Oh my goodness, stinky, stinky, stinky.
You should put a poop sound there.
I will. This is where I'm going to be spending my morning.
Yep, he's gonna be spending his morning at the bathroom.
That is my best friend, people. It's really a clean motel room, whatever you want to call it.
I thought it would be nasty, like a roach motel.
Yeah, like I said, it's really clean. Guys, and like I said, tomorrow we're going to be vlogging that area that the concert's going to be at. It's actually in Marietta, Georgia, which I think is just like a little suburb off of Atlanta. And
dude, they have
we are next to some sort of Navy, Air Force type base across the street. We might go check it out tomorrow. Yeah. So. All right, guys. See y'all tomorrow.